really sunny day today, and it's my first ever video uploading a fishing video on my canal in Congleton. Yeah, so let's get straight into casting. So this is kind of a tutorial kind of a video. There's loads of black fish around, if you can see. I don't know, might need to zoom in a little bit, Dad. Alright, so that was just a practice cast because I saw a few fish over there. Let's use the perch and pike technique that I always use for little black fish, some bait fish, some like roach and stuff, baby perch maybe. Yeah. So, Dad, you can have the cast and I can reel, yeah?
Sure.
So yeah, I'll hold the camera. Alright, my dad is a really good fisherman, like me, and he's a really good caster especially. Where did it land? Over there, yeah? See a fish there.
I just don't seem to want to bite it though.
Well, we have had a few bites today, remember?
Look, Kobe, there.
Yep. See?
Perch.
That's, yep, perch.
Right up the top there.
He's right there. We're probably going to catch today. Well, no, not probably, definitely I think. We're going to upload like maybe 2-3 videos today to get my fishing channel started. I'm just going to show you over here. Was that another cast just then, yeah?
Oh.
Chase. Follow. Follow, yeah. Big fish. Big perch, I think. Use my pike technique.
Definitely a bite.
Yeah, I did see the rod bend. Don't know if you guys saw it, guys. In the comments, if they're not disabled. Sorry if they are, I don't know how to undisable them. Dad, you'll probably help, won't you?
Do you disable the comment?
Undisable the comments.
I'll have to have a look.
If you know how to, yeah. Oh, I just saw a little black fish over here. Oh, there, right there. Big fish, Dad. Big fish. I think the camera can see it. The camera can, yeah, there. See? Oh, it's a perch. It's a perch with a mohawk.
Yeah.
Yo, there's loads of perch. Look, over there, Dad. Over there. See? See right there.
Snatch it down off the surface.
Yeah, so, oh my God, you just landed on a fish. You just landed on a fish. Did you see that, guys? Hope you did, because that was sick. The fish went for it straight away. Did you see, Dad?
You're gonna get a bite here, you know.
Over there, Dad. Over there. Oh, yeah, there. And over there, maybe next time. Dad, how are you feeling about today?
Pretty confident.
Yeah, me too. I'm fully confident.
They do look like they're coming to the surface quite a lot though, so.
Yeah, they are. They come to the surface to look for them pond skaters, but so we have to keep the lure on the surface maybe. Can I have a cast now?
Yep.
After this? I can reel if you want.
Go on then.
Here you go.
There's quite a lot of activity there.
Yeah.
Really.
Oh, you see? Did you hear that, guys? Hope you saw it or heard it. Well, we're going to do like kind of a montage right now, so yeah, let's get into that montage.
This is Kobe's montage, guys.
Yeah, my first ever montage. Fish, big fish, even bigger than all of them. Oh my gosh, look at them bubbles. Oh my gosh, big fish. I might need to put the hoop over. Yep, there we go. Ooh, I think we're going to catch him. Bite. Yep, I think that's enough. Isn't it, Dad?
Should be alright there, so much chasing it.
Yeah, something's definitely chasing. Oh, that's proper.
Right, Right, here we go. Should we pause this one and then put it on if we get a fish back on it? Yeah.
Yeah. So see you in the next video. Wait, I don't think you can pause it.
Yeah, I mean, stop this one.
Yeah. There's loads of little fish here.
Right, so see you later, guys.
See you later, guys.
Catch you on the next episode.
Catch you in the next episode, yeah.
Bang.
Guys.